as normal, missing someone, and missing someone.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you haven't seen my face before, hi, my name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber and a hairstylist based in Accra, Ghana. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your own cornrows at home. I'm also going to be sharing some super easy tips and tricks, so you don't have to be a pro at braiding in any way to be able to follow through this video. Braiding your own hair could sound difficult, sometimes impossible to some people, but I'm here to tell you it's super easy and you really don't have anything to worry about. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss an upload from me. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So my natural hair has already been washed and stretched out, so all I'm going to do now is apply a generous amount of my wild growth hair oil and my CANTU leave-in conditioner. So let's just get into parting. You're going to be parting your hair into 2 equal halves down the middle using your rat tail comb. As a beginner, the way you part your hair is going to be golden for you to get decent looking cornrows. But please remember, if you're doing your cornrows yourself, having perfect lines really should not be your major concern, especially if you're a beginner. Speaking of beginners, I'm going to show you exactly how I learned how to do my first cornrows. So let's get into it. Divide your remaining hair into 2 equal sections, one on the top and one on the bottom, using the tip of your ear as a guide.
The wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror,
another hair growth secret of mine is my CANTU Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. This treatment is great for strengthening fragile hair strands and it really helps to moisturize and protect my scalp. Part off a small section of your hair. I did my best to slow down this part of the clip, so I really hope it helps. Start by splitting your hair into 3 pieces in the front. Grab 1 piece from the left and 1 piece from the right and then cross them in the middle. From behind that braid and slowly keep adding more hair and crisscrossing the same amount of hair in each piece, 1 from the left, 1 from the right, 1 from the left, 1 from the right. Keep on repeating this crisscross motion as you go until you end the braid. Remember to keep your fingers steady and go slow.
scared of the light more than the dark, scared of the truth.
Now that you are at the end of the braid, keep crisscrossing at least 2 to 3 times to prevent that braid from unraveling and just leave it. Let's move on to the next section.
Who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror.
So just relax and watch me do it 2 more times and just see if you can join in. Doing your own cornrows are very therapeutic, especially for me. It really does come in handy when you want to wear wigs or do and some other pretty easy protective styles. Especially now that we are in a lockdown phase, so it's really going to be helpful to you if you can do your own cornrows without having to go all the way to a salon to get your hair done.
There's no mirrors on these walls no more. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. Scared of the good more than the evil. Scared of the light more than the dark.
Once we're done braiding these 3 sections, let's move on to the back section. So now just trace the first section line down all the way to the back. Then from where you ended the first braid, open up those 3 sections and just start picking the same amount of hair, crisscrossing as you go. One piece from the left, another piece from the right. Keep your fingers firm, keep your fingers steady, and by the time you know, you're done. You're at the end of the braid. Let me know what you think about this method in the comment section. If it's easier for you, I know it was for me. Don't focus on getting perfect lines in the beginning. If not, it might deter you from continuing. Just focus on getting the braid done. Even though I've been doing my own braids for years, I still don't get perfect lines all the time. Practice makes perfect. Don't worry too much because you're doing great. So let's try this again. Moving to the second section. This time we are going to be parting our hair from your forehead down to the nape of your neck. Now you're kind of a pro, so we are just going to go through with this braid. I'm going to let you continue watching me braid and enjoy the music. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and join the TV gang. You guys are so amazing and I love you to the moon and back. I hope to see you in my next video and I love you guys.
Talk to me like that before, and I wonder what on earth is he searching for. No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. The truth so much more than the lie. I'm scared for it. I'm scared of it.